Hi guys, I was gifted this remote control outlet from the seller to show you all its cool features. So if you want to turn on a lamp remotely, then you're going to get this. Okay, so if you want to, your lamps, in your house, and you want to put this by the front door, you can hit it when you come in, and then it'll light up, turn on that lamp and light up your house for you. So this is what the remote control looks like. It's pretty cool because you can screw it to a wall, or it's got a magnet here, so you can put this on the wall someplace easy for you to see it, and also to turn on the lamp, you're just going to click this side of it, and then to turn it off, you're just going to click that side of it. So I will turn around here and just kind of show you this lamp back here. We're going to turn it on and turn it off. Turn it on and turn it off. Let me go show you what that end looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It just has one power plug, and it can control two things. So on the remote you saw 1, 2, 3. Well, the 1 and 2 go to this thing, and so you can control two different lamps if you wanted with it. So if you guys want to remote control a lamp from have a nice wall switch, go ahead and get this. Looks like it's going to work great for me, and have a nice day.